Today we're going to go over how to output data from Quicka. So to begin with, I have 3 units all connected up that have been giving me data over the past couple of days. To extract said data, File, and there are 4 options that we can select. First option is Individual Data Output Wizard. This will output individual data, weights, or information gathered from the machine. HTML format will only give you 1,000 options, whereas a CSV file can go up to 500,000. Next is the History Data Output Wizard. This is any information that came from the machine that it had an error, an alarm, or that it disconnected from Quicka. Statistics Data Output Wizard. This takes in statistics 1, statistics 2, batch and lot statistics into account, which can be selected at the screen, and outputs a data sheet per unit per product for that unit. Advanced Analysis Wizard has 3 different functions. One is the advanced analysis of the checkware. One is the advanced analysis of the checkware with a graph, and one is the X-ray with the t-values of every single product. We're going to start with the Individual Data Output Wizard. Select Next. Here we can output all data, no good only, contaminant no good only, and mass no good only. No good only is for every machine. Contaminants are for metal detectors and X-rays. And then mass no good is for the checkware. And if the X-ray has the virtual mass turned on, then it would be this. I'm going to select all. From here we can select the time. I'm going to do yesterday's time. It does it from the beginning of yesterday at midnight to midnight today. Now from here we can select the units that which we would like to see the data from. I'm going to select these 3 units as they are all on line 1 right above here. We can select product number. These machines have only been running 1 product, so I do not need to change that. If you would like to add, you select, put your product number, or if you have a lot number. From here is where we select the format we would like to see it as. I selected a CSV file. Once you're done, hit complete, and it will generate a file with all of the outputs you are looking for. There will be multiple files, 1 file for each machine. Please see an example on the screen. From here, I'm going to go to Historical Data. Select Next. You can include the equipment history of Quicka and then the PC history of Quicka. The PC history of Quicka also entails any errors that pop up on the PC as well. I'm only going to select the equipment. I'm going to select yesterday, show what happened yesterday, and then select these 3 machines again. If there is no data on the unit, the wizard will not work. These 2 have not been connected to Quicka, so I am not selecting them. You can select product number here. Then you can select the format. I'm going to select HTML for this one, as there's not a lot of data to compile. It'll pull it up in a Internet Explorer window, and there will be tabs on the left-hand side that you can select for each machine. Next, we are going to go with Statistic Output Data Wizard. Select Next. Here's where we can select multiple different choices. I have used statistics 1. If you have used batch or lot statistics, you may select them here, but right now I have not selected those in my Quicka. I am going to select all, and then select next. Select yesterday's time, select next, select those 3 machines again, then next. I don't need to select a product, but here's where you can do so. And again, I'm going to do HTML format, as it does look the most professional. I'm going to hit complete. Again, there are 3 tabs on the left-hand side. Select each one to get the total statistics of each machine. Finally, we have Advanced Analysis Wizard. As you can see, there are 3 things you can select. The first 2 are the same, just one is with a graph, and the last one is for the X-ray. I'm going to start off with the checkware with the graph. I'm going to say all, yesterday's data, select only the checkware that is on this line. Select next, select next, hit complete. An Excel spreadsheet will show up. You will have to enable contents for it to translate into English. Once that is done, you will see all of your statistics information and then a graph at the bottom. Now let's do the X-ray. File, Advanced, Next, X-ray with effect, Next, Yesterday, Next. Now only select the X-ray. This is the only one I have connected at this moment. Select Next, select Next, hit complete. Again, enable content on the Excel file. This changes it over to English, and it'll give you all of your team limits in a graph format, show you where the goods and the bads are.